Morning, good day. This is your girl Dr. Tay here with another morning message. So I am super excited because this Friday I am hosting my first live on Instagram where I'll be focusing on tactful talks from Dr. Tasia. Now, for those of you who have been following me on Instagram for a while, you know that this was a program that I started back in, let's say 2020. And at the time I was using a different platform for my website, and so it just made sense to try to funnel people in that direction. However, after a while things kind of started to slow down, and I ended up switching platforms anyway, and the program just kind of went away. And now I've decided to bring it back because I really enjoyed answering questions for people. I really enjoyed sharing my insight, and I want to be able to do so in a space where I have an opportunity to be more engaging with individuals. So why not do it on Instagram, right? So I guess a little bit of backstory. So the idea of tactful talks came from a Halloween costume I had back in 2020 where I was an open book. And to be totally honest, I was scrambling at the last minute trying to find a costume for a virtual Halloween party with my family, and decided to call myself an open book, ask me anything. But it also made me think about how, I typically am an open book. Like, I have a lot of friends and family who reach out to me for advice, who have questions about various things, and, because I've had a lot of really different experiences, or I could be, knowledgeable in certain areas, they naturally come to me for said advice. And so I figured, why not share that gift with all of you, right? So I hope that you check it out. You can submit your questions in advance if you go to the link in my bio, so please make sure you do that. And then if for some reason you're not able to make the live, I will post it on my Instagram account, and I'm also considering posting it on YouTube. We'll see. But overall, I hope that you check it out. It's going to be this Friday, and I'll be sure to include the link as well as the information in the description so that you can join me this Friday. Okay? So thank you so much for listening, and have a great day. Hey, thank you so much for listening to my video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe below. Also, I have some other recommended videos for you to check out over here. All right, thanks a lot and have a great day.